I think we have to slam this here. Oh, I think we have to slam this. There it goes. I think we have to slam this. We have to slam this for shorts. We just inversed that. No, we didn't. Fuck, we could front run this. I have pretty good conviction that we're going to go lower here. We got a SMT. We need to ifvg this 1 minute on ES and NASDAQ. And then we are, I think, destined for lower. We got bearish divergence on the RSI. Right here. Wham, bam. Wham, bam. 20 seconds on this. Oh boy. Damn, I think we could have front ran that. I think we're gonna fucking dump here. Yeah, we're closing this. We're dumping. SMT, ifvg. This is a dog shit entry. That's like fucking 70 points. Ooh, market sell. What the fuck? Oh man, why didn't I I gotta press the trigger here. We're gonna dump. Oh god, I gotta press the button. Am I gonna regret not pressing the button? I'm gonna sell it. Fuck. Reject out of this. Sell limit top. Dump. Flush this. Flush this. Flush this, bro. Come on. TP at 496. Please. 496. No, 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 bro.
For $250 a month, you can get our Rosetta Almanac.
Damn, we got SMT. Ooh, I don't like it. Dump this, bro.
Sign up for our newsletter. Spring sale coming soon.
Fuck.
That means we have 6 more weeks of bullish activity. Edom tried to short another bullish market. That means Edom goes back in his hole. He goes back in.
Come on. What is this? Bro, what is this? Am I oh my god, I hate this fucking unintuitive horse shit.
Well, yeah, it was so nice to meet you. Good luck with your reversal trend trading. Um, I love trend line trading. It's a wonderful thing. We like to wait for our breakout of structure, and then we do a retest, and we're in there targeting. Just we don't know what we're targeting, but we're in there. I'm sorry.
Should have held that for one more minute. We would have been TPing. That's unfortunate. That's quite unfortunate. Okay, Tuesday, March 31st. Another winner today. I was flopping and groping, so I'm not happy with it. It's still a win on my way to passing my eval, but I am really not happy with it because I'm oversized for sure, and it's cooking up my psychology. I just I like I don't want like I can't hold the trade for any more than like 1 minute if it's not like instantly in profit. Even if when it is instantly in profit, I close it right away, even though I know where the market's gonna go, and I just I just have no patience. I just close it. I take a little bit of profit as soon as it's like a couple points. I go okay, close it because I'm so scared it's gonna reverse on me. But every trade so far, if I had just held it, I would have been a billionaire by now. So I really just need to. I don't even know what like gain the confidence, but I know what I'm doing. I know where it's gonna go. My confidence just won't let me hold the trade, so I got to fix that or size down. I think even sizing down, I might still have a little bit of that, but that's definitely one of my problems right now is having the confidence to hold the trade um, just a bit longer because it goes where I know it's going to go every time. So I don't know why I don't have the confidence even though it plays out every time to what I say it will do. So let's get into it here. Market open. We are kind of in this accumulation, manipulation, distribution, little AMD model right here. We're bouncing around this range, and I thought we were going to go up and then clean out some liquidity and then reverse down to here. We got triple stacked up lows. We did not do that, not yet at least. We came up. We had New York AM high here. I was waiting to get a reaction off that to see if we get an SMT to the downside. I thought that could be a nice play, but we did not get the SMT with ES. We took that out right away and then just continued higher on NQ. And then we had Data Wick high here. It was a Trump speech, I think. So we had Data Wick high, draw on liquidity, and I noted that for sure. And it's in the middle of this 1 hour bearish fair value gap. And so that's that purple range right there. Here it is on ES. And we actually inversed that on the 1 hour, but obviously did not inverse that on NQ. So I got my eye on this range. I wasn't jumping into anything. I wasn't convicted. I was not convicted anywhere through this. I had no conviction. And I can definitely tell now. My heart starts racing, my eyes widen when I'm starting to get conviction, my gut feelings going, okay, we're about to have a trade set up here. And yeah, I'm just compelled to enter it. And so we tagged it and then came down, and I'm sure some people might have taken that and gone short there, and they would have gotten stopped out. I did not take that. I didn't feel I had good conviction. Where is that on ES? So that's okay. So yeah, we also had New York AM high up here. New York AM high. I was looking at that. What's this blue line? Okay, so that blue line's the data wick. So we clean that out. That's the data wick over here. Where's the data wick? Okay, never mind. We mitigated that a long time ago on ES. So I'm looking for some other kind of confluence SMT. And so we tag it. That was okay. Wasn't convicted. We weren't really, there was a lot of ifvgs up until this point that weren't really playing out, so I needed a bit more than just an ifvg. So we got retrace. We went back up, and then this is where I started to get interested. So this RSI confluence has been absolutely printing lately, and it's my favorite confluence right now, just to confirm that yes, indeed, we are going to have a reversal. I'm trading like pretty much just reversals right now. So RSI is going down, price is going up, bearish divergence. I know we're going to go down. We got an SMT from here to here on ES, there to there, did not clear that high again. And at that point, I'm going, okay, I just need an ifvg. So I'm looking, where do we have one? We have one right here. This is the only one we had on the 1 minute, and didn't quite get the closure there, but we did close down here. And so that stop run is pretty cooked. That's, yeah, like 60 points for a stop. So a little bit hesitating to slam a short on that. I was like, oh, maybe we'll get like a retrace. I don't know. I stared at it for like a minute on this one candle here. I stared at it the whole minute, just finger hovering over the button. And eventually I just had to bring myself, like, am I going to be mad at myself if I don't take this? And I was like, yeah, probably. I went and looked at the chart again, SMT, and we're also this 1 hour gap here as well is our other confluence. We are sitting in this bearish 1 hour gap, and it was pretty sick because we had this one wick here, which is that I don't know what that was, maybe the data high or whatever the fuck it was, but we mitigated that, and I go, okay, damn, that's pretty good. So we cleared out liquidity on that wick. It's rejecting again off the 1 hour. We have an SMT on ES from here to here. We got bearish RSI. This is like an A plus. This is an A plus setup. This is definitely an A plus setup for me. And this is where I fumbled the bag. Like, this is literally my position, which has pretty much been every position so far in this funded eval journey, where we got like a 0.3 RR, which is like, what is that? Like, that is not a long-term profitable solution. And so basically I was in a little bit of drawdown, and the wealth charts thing is just, it's so unintuitive. Like, I cannot figure out this is embarrassing, but I can't figure out the stop loss take profit thing. It's crazy how complicated it is. Doesn't make any sense to me. So I market sold. Stop loss was like, I don't know, somewhere up here, just arbitrarily placed up here. And then my take profit was like maybe down at these lows, just to have like just a quick little scalp, even though I know it was going to deliver lower. I just need to trust myself more. I need to trust myself more. And then we started to get these wicks. I think we got this wick here. And it was going up, and then I was like, oh man, and I dragged my stop loss to like, just in case we inverse this gap here, I dragged it down, and it wasn't actually a stop loss, it was another sell order. So now I'm in 2 full mini contracts on this trade, which actually brought my entry a little higher. So like, it played out better in the long run, but now I'm 2 minis deep in this trade, which is like 1 mini's already crazy over leveraged, and now I'm in for 2. So each point is $40, so it's going like nuts. And then which is why I was like, I got to get out of this trade. If it reverses, like, I'm cooked. So we kind of bounce around for like 1 or 2 more minutes. I was not in the trade long, but as soon as we came down, and then I hit like I had like $400 something, I just market closed it, And then obviously, literally seconds after that, we just absolutely puked to the downside. Like that would have been insane. That would have been like, I don't even know, a ton of money. If that was $400, imagine how that would be. So tough stuff. Tough stuff. A win's a win, but that was pretty embarrassing. I really need to figure out that take profit stop loss situation, or maybe look how to do like 5 micros instead of 1 mini. Anyways, AA plus setup. We had everything we wanted, except for stops were a bit cooked. You could have put them like right above this fair value gap, I guess, for like a 17-point stop. That wouldn't have been bad. But yeah, win's a win, and yeah, we got around $1,400 on this eval. So I think we got 1,100 more bucks to go, and then we're past our eval on our way to our first payout. So I think I'm done for the day. That was my one setup that I was really liking. I'm only going to take A+ setups, I promised myself. And that was it for the day. So, I don't know, win's a win, but pretty embarrassing trade. I'm ashamed of myself, but what do you do?